So, I'm an architect, of course. Been practicing for the last 30 years from Pune, and been a fantastic journey. We've been, I work with my partner Anand, and it's been so exciting because the kind of work we've done all these years, the diversity of work includes, from ranging from IT parks to commercial buildings to hospitals, hotels.
I call myself an artist. I'm not an architect nor an interior designer. I was born in an architect's family. Being a designer, I'm passionate about design. And designing HQ made it difficult because a high-profile client comes to you and he has no boundaries. He asks you to design a high-profile facility in a high-profile location and for high-profile clientele. So I had to use all my 30 years of experience to put things together.
See, we have done, I've done architecture from Pune, and we have done masters in landscape architecture, and we are doing landscape architecture practice for last 30 years. And we have received more than 11 national awards in landscape field actually. And we are associated with Goel Group for more than 2 decades now.
So we are Unicorn MEP Consultants Private Limited. I'm Salil Garganis. I'm the principal and the founder of this company.
Myself Tukaram Dudhal. I work with Unicorn MEP Consultants Private Limited from last 7 years, and my total experience in this field is around 30 years, and my specialization is electrical and low voltage system.
Most of our lives, all of us, you, me, everyone out here, we're working outside our residential zones for almost 3/4 of a day. 10 hours, 12 hours. I mean, the way we all work, we're there at least for 12 hours a day. And, we work in air-conditioned spaces with no natural, ventilation. And Pune being Pune, the beautiful city and such amazing weather. And we need to bring this weather not only into our homes, but also into our workspaces. So that's where the whole concept started. So when you step out of your homes and you walk into your workplace, you have to have the same comfort level, the same ease of operation that you have in your homes, because that's when you perform the best.
Designing an experience of the person who walks into the office every day from maybe a boring life, but then the experience of getting out of the car, getting into the lobby, standing next to the lift, getting inspired. So we've considered about a lot of signages, a lot of marble texture where he feels good about himself. So the moment he enters the office, he's nice, he's positive, he's ready to roll, he's ready to rule, and that's why the name HQ, it's headquarters. And yes, we believed in high quality also, maybe HQ is high quality.
Boat Club has an amazing catchment of residential buildings. If you look at Pune today, we have Koregaon Park, which sets the tone for, your entertainment and your evenings out, but it's become chaotic. And we needed something which would attract people, which would make it a place where people wanted to just be. So HQ is located very strategically, facing the river. And all the terraces, all the offices have got large terraces, step terraces, which all overlook the river. And it's beautiful. I can just imagine an evening, outside one of the offices on the terrace, the nice stone benches where people are sitting and having maybe, a cup of coffee or a sundowner. So it's absolute unique aspect.
We haven't come across a project where the client wants us to do our dream MEP in a project, which is going to be in the best interest of the project, and nothing else will have a priority higher than that.
So when you come to HQ, you have to realize that you are sitting in an office which is 100% energy efficient, eco-friendly, and we've taken a lot of care in designing all these aspects. Second is the working method, I would say. It's like inside out. So you work inside and there are terraces outside opening the riverfront. So it's like a mixed use. Third, there are different facilities in this building where you can go out to a cafe, you can swim, you can gym. So you can experience everything in one go. Fourth is the way it's designed, the way the materials used, you feel nice about it. There's a lot of energy or centers, energy, we're talking about chi, we're talking about balancing of chi, you feel nice about this property. When you're working in HQ, trust me, the way we have designed, you will feel proud about this place.
So every aspect of this building is detailed out. You know, you talk about the functionality, the way, right from the point that you drive into the building, the drop-off points, the elegant lift lobby, and the number of elevators that we've provided, the detailing in the lobby, which is going to be exquisite and which would probably look like a five-star hotel lobby. Once detail is accomplished, it converts into comfort.
We have designed green walls, we have created series of sculptures, and there is a detailing we have done for green walls with lighting, plantation varieties there, and the juxtaposition of each sculpture will act beauty to your commercial facade also. We all are missing landscapes because it's quite a big of concrete jungles we are living in. Green spaces are disappearing. So basically, if you see people go and meditate in garden area, in jungles, they go and sit. Why? The question is why. So basically we want to recreate. We cannot recreate the nature, but we just want to make the awareness of the working people or offices that yes, you can have the greenery in your offices, you can work in nature, you can be at peace while working. First highlight will be the plaza. See, that we are focusing because that will be a first bang, because anybody who is traveling on that road should not miss the project, and the landmark will be created, or the first impression of the project will be given by the plaza which we are designing. Very important USP of the project you can say is that we are trying to merge inside outside. Normally you might have seen so many offices, but you have not seen offices working outside in garden.
I think it is also important that good services have to remain invisible. They would become visible only after they start failing. So you would only see them in the form of the function that they serve. You get good water, you get clean water, you get them at the right pressures, you have a hygienically draining toilet, electrically you are sitting in the most advanced systems with the most safe electrical fixtures, electrical wirings. So see, at HQ we're not only planning, designing, detailing and delivering MEP systems, we are actually also contributing to the bottom lines of the occupants in the form of savings that they'll get in their common area maintenances.
कस्टमरला पहिला बेनिफिट जे आहे आपण म्हणजे एनर्जी इफिशियंट लाईट फिक्चर्स जे म्हणतोय LED मध्ये तर आपण सेविंग करतोयच, पण LED वापरून ॲडिशनल सेविंग ज्यावेळेस आपण कनेक्टेड लाईटिंग सिस्टीम्सला जाऊ त्यावेळेस कनेक्टेड लाईटिंग सिस्टीम यूज केल्यावर 20% सेविंग आहे स्ट्रेट वे. दॅट इज द मेजर बेनिफिट ऑफ एनी क्लायंट.
When we designed it, I think what was important was who are the stakeholders of this building. We're very clear that this is going to be aspirational. Like I told you earlier that there's so many office buildings around. So what's different about this? But this certainly will set a new trend in workspaces, and we do expect that people are going to want to own these spaces because they want a change.
For low voltage system, we are using worldwide latest technology, just 5G technology for data, voice and TV system. Normally LED light fixtures we are using for energy efficient, but Now latest technology, these lights are work on power on Ethernet systems. So your control will be in your fingertips. Then security surveillance. Security surveillance, we are using latest CCTV technologies with server-based monitoring systems. So all these technologies we are using. On that basis, whoever is client taking offices in this building, he will fulfill here his requirement without asking. So he will be 100% satisfied.
So it's like a canvas, right? With a beautiful painting, but where you're fusing your personality into that painting and finally signing it off as yours. So it's your signature office.
A signature office.
Signature office is the motto of the project.
Signature offices.
Signature offices.